river pure and wide, flowing from your wounded side. Balm of Gilead, touch me now. Let your mercy pour me out. I see the river pure and wide, flowing from your wounded side. Balm of Gilead, touch me now. Let your mercy pour me out. There the healing flows from the throne. Chains are breaking, flesh made whole. Hearts restored, minds renewed. Jesus, all my hope is you. Healing flows in your name. By your stripes I'm whole again. You walk into this broken room. With every breath you speak new truth. Your eyes are fire yet full of grace. You raise the weak, you lift the lame. I declare healing in this place. Bones aligned in Jesus' name. Let the blind eyes see again. Let the captives be unchained. From trauma, from fear, from pain, the great physician calls your name. I receive, let it flow from your hands into my soul. You are healing, you are whole.
Rise, daughter, your faith has made you whole. Son, take up your bed and walk. I have heard you cry.
No more sickness, no more fear. The healer's voice is all I hear. Restoration